Hi guys, very good morning. I am Syed here. So in this video we will see the various types of missing number patterns available. So first pattern is difference between the numbers. So for example, we will take the numbers 200, 193 and 179, 158 and then 130 and 95. So when this sequence of numbers is given, so whatever the sequence is given, first you should find out the pattern that is present in the sequence. So in the sequence we will see what pattern is there. So we are going to find the difference between these numbers first. So the difference is 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Is there any pattern here? Yeah, all these numbers are multiples of 7. So there is a pattern in their differences. So let's move on. This is one of the patterns. So let's move on to another pattern. Next pattern is difference of difference. So first we have found the pattern of difference. Next we are moving further deeper and finding the difference between this difference. So for example, we will take 2, 5, 10, 19, 36 and then 69 and 134. So this is a sequence of numbers given. So let's find what is the pattern present here. So we're going to find the difference between them. 3 and this is 5 and this is 9 and this is 17 and this is 33 and that is 65. So we are going to check is there any pattern here, and there is no pattern available in this difference. So further we are going to find the difference between these differences. So you can see the difference between them is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Is there any pattern available here? Yeah, it is a multiple of 2 is the pattern. So this is a difference of difference model pattern. Okay, let's move on to another pattern. The third is 0.5 model. So for example, we will take 8, 4, 4 and then 6, 12. So you can see if you approach this sum in difference pattern, obviously the difference here is going to be 0 and there will not be any pattern available. So this will not come under the difference pattern. So let's approach it in a different manner. So 8 has been reduced to 4 by multiplying by 0.5. 4 is remains 4 by multiplying with 1, and 4 has been increased to 6 by multiplying with 1.5, and 6 has been doubled. So you can see the pattern here is 0.5 model. It has been multiplied by 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. So this comes under 0.5 model. Let's move on to another model pattern. So this is the same as of difference, but specifically the difference may be in squares or it may be in cubes. So for example, 50, 54, 45 and then 61, 36. So this is the sequence given. So let's see what is the difference between them. The difference here is plus 4, the difference here is minus 9, the difference here is plus 16, the difference here is minus 25, and the difference here is plus 36. Can you see the pattern that is present here? Yeah, of course. It is nothing but 2 square. It is nothing but minus 3 square. It's nothing but 4 square. It's nothing but minus 5 square and 6 square. So this is a pattern of square differences, and the similar problem might come in cube differences as well. So let's move on to another pattern. Prime numbers. So we have to give importance to prime numbers as well. The given sequence may be of prime numbers like this. So they might ask, what is the missing number here? They might ask, what is the missing number here? So you should know the pattern is available in the form of prime numbers as well. So if you know this, you can directly answer it as 11. So instead giving the prime numbers directly, they might give the prime numbers in the difference method as well. The difference between the numbers might be a prime number. For example, if you take 52, 54, 57 and 62, 69 and then 80, you can see the difference is 2, the difference is 3, the difference is 5, the difference is 7, the difference is 11. So they might ask you what is the missing number here, so you should know the pattern of prime numbers. Let's move on. Next pattern is single operation. That is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the given number might get multiplied or subtracted or added in the sequence. Okay, for example, 1, 4, 32, 5, 1, 2, 1, 6, 3, 8, 4. So what is the missing number here is the question. So you can see that it is multiplied by 4, it is multiplied by 8, it is multiplied by 16, it is multiplied by 32, and this will be multiplied by 64. You can see the sequence, that is, they are getting multiplied. Okay, let's move on to another pattern. So this is a double operation pattern. In double operation, instead of having multiplication or subtraction as a single operation, we will be having two operations combined in the single sequence. So let's see, for example, if you take 2, 3, 8, 31, 154 and 923, and what is the missing number here is the question. So let's see, as 2 is getting multiplied by 2 and subtracted by 1. Similarly, 3 is getting multiplied by 3 and getting subtracted by 1. And here similarly it is multiplied by 4 and minus 1. Here it is multiplied by 5 minus 1. Here it will be multiplied by 6 minus 1. And the final answer will be multiplied by 7 minus 1. So you can see there is a sequence of double operation. The number is multiplying and getting subtracted by 1. This is the sequence. So these are the various patterns available. More probably in all the exams, this basic patterns will be coming around for 75%, and the remaining 25% might come apart from these patterns. So be prepared. I hope this video will be helpful for those preparing for bank exams. And if you like this video, subscribe it, and have a great day. Thank you.